Many vape retailers do not really understand the market dynamics. When faced with the various products provided by vape wholesale suppliers, distributors, it is easy to be overwhelmed. At this time, you need these skills. Let the supplier show you their best-selling products. Generally speaking, the supplier may know the market situation better than you. If one of their products is very popular, you can try this product. After all, the supplier also hopes to cooperate with you for a long time and will definitely provide you with the most market-guaranteed products. For example, the following disposable vape has a small shape and is very easy to carry. It is more European and American in design and neutral in color, suitable for both men and women. Looking at the purchase price and cartridge capacity, the cartridge capacity of this product is 800 puffs, and the purchase price is also very low, indicating that it is very suitable for novice vapers. Looking at this product again, from the perspective of size, this product is much larger than the one above, and its appearance is more male, so this product is more suitable for men. Looking at the specific parameters, this vape product has a battery capacity of 1000 mAh, a cartridge capacity of 13 milliliters, supports repeated charging, cotton coil, and 5,000 puffs. From these data, you can see that this product is very suitable for senior vapers. I just take these two products as examples. In addition to the product itself, your local culture and user habits are also a very important factor. For example, European and American users prefer rough and alternative styles, and Asian users prefer light and cute styles. These are all things that you need to explore by yourself. This method is very simple. Go directly to your local offline vape store to see which styles of their products are selling well, or go directly to the online retail mall to see their explosions. What are the characteristics of the product? And then you can source the same or similar products from wholesale vape suppliers.